Welcome, you guys. Welcome so much. Thank you guys for coming back. Today, I'm going to take you on a wild ride of less than 15 minutes. I will say between 10 to 15 minutes makeup. Are you not tired of paying makeup artists to make you look good? All you need is a good makeup, and trust me, believe me, I am not a makeup artist, but I am learning. And let me tell you guys something, it doesn't take time. All it takes is consistency. Believe me, trust me, if you are ready to go on this wild journey with me to know how I glam my face on a daily basis before sitting down on my studio to do my makeup, let's ride down into the video. Before we even dive down into the video, if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click that red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then we're good to go. Let's go. For my foundation, I will be using Nigeria. This is Velino brand, Nigeria. I love using pomade on my brows. This is also Velino, but it's coming to you before the end of falls this year. Sugarberry palette. Eyeshadow. I love to call it eyeshadow. Kartia Velino Sugarberries eyeshadow. I only use one brush. That's it. One brush. Today I want to use sugar cane. I'm using this one, all neutral. It's called Sugarcane Glitz. And I want to use this dark purple called the mulberry. I'm going to put it on the outer corner. And I'll blend everything together. Now I'm going to do my setting powder. This is Kartia setting powder as well. I use the darker concealer to contour my nose. The lighter concealer at the middle of my nose, at the center of my nose. I love using my finger to blend it in. I also love using this color as my lip liner, dark lip liner. It's Kartiavelino's signature. The name of this one is Zamunda. very dark chocolate in color. Very dark. I use this color of illuminating drop. It's dark. Put it over here and over here, and also on my lips. Again, I use my middle finger to blend everything together. And now, and I will use this to finish up my lips. This is Edo lip gloss. Edo. My lips looks like. Now we're gonna do the brow. Now we're gonna do the last extension and we're good to go. After that, I'm going to be using the liquid eyeliner just to cover up the glue. And now that everything is done, almost done, I will be using my blushes. Again, this is Kartia Velino blush and shimmer. This is pre-order. If you want to pre-order this, it has some blushes. I love to use two colors at the same time. Blush. This blush also has some highlights on them, and I'm going to also add a little bit of the chocolate eyeliner. I'm also going to be using some chocolate bronzer, right? That's what it's called, chocolate bronzer. So this package here has some highlights and bronzer at the same time. This is Kartia Velino's brand. If you're interested in ordering this, please send your email at info@kartiavelino.com or kartiavelino@gmail.com. Your email will be returned as soon as possible. This is only going to be selling for $25. Yes,